The electronic assembly is the circuit board that controls your cordless rotary tool's motor. It consists of the on-off switch, the variable speed control, and the clips that the battery attached to. Like any circuit board, eventually it can fail. Common problems are not being able to turn the tool on, or not being able to vary the speed. Replacing the electronic assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. On the back of the housing, there's a clip, and I'll remove it. Now I can remove the electronic assembly. I'll remove the wires from the motor, and then pull the electronic assembly away from the housing. Now I can install the new electronic assembly. I'll place the on-off lever on top of the switch, and then place the assembly back into the housing. I'll place the battery clip into the housing, and now I can reconnect the motor wires. You'll notice on the motor that one of the terminals is marked with a red dot, and that's for the red wire. First, I'll connect the black wire, and then the red. Now I can reinstall the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. I'll slide the clip back into place. And that's all it takes to replace the electronic assembly on your Dremel tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.